If you thought Meta AI completely killed its video generation feature overnight, I have the good news. They didn't delete it, they just moved it, and almost nobody knows where it went. If you try to animate photos inside the standard Meta AI right now, you already know the button is completely missing, the interface is completely broken, and the AI will literally lie to you and claim it never had video features in the first place. But while everyone else is scrambling and looking for free alternatives, Meta quietly shifted its entire Pro Creator engine to a brand new standalone platform called Vibes.ai. This isn't just a simple update. Meta is building a dedicated, professional-grade sandbox completely away from the main Assistant app. When you go directly to Vibes.ai on your browser, you get an immediate upgrade. Instead of those low-res 480p clips, you can now generate cinematic text to video and animate your images in crisp 720p. For example, watch me generate a text to video right now. I just paste the prompt, hit generate, and wait. After a few minutes, the clips are ready. Now, the system only generates 4 videos at a time, which is completely fine for a free tool. And when you first look at the queue, you might think it only outputs vertical videos, but you are completely wrong. The preview tiles look vertical, but the moment you open them up, they are actually full widescreen horizontal clips, and the visual quality is significantly better than before. Plus, you get advanced first and last frame support right here for perfect continuity. There is just one catch. If you use the direct download button on the site, Meta hits your video with a massive, annoying watermark. But you can bypass this completely with a simple hidden trick. Instead of clicking download, just right-click directly on the video player and select Open Video in New tab. Your generated clip will open up in a clean browser window, completely naked, allowing you to right-click and save it 100% watermark-free. Now, manually doing this for every single generation is incredibly time-consuming, which is why I've already started building a brand new automation extension specifically for the Vibes.ai platform. The strategy hasn't changed. We are just moving our production pipeline to where the tools actually live. Stop fighting the broken mobile app. Head over to Vibes.ai right now, log in, and pick up exactly where your projects left off. The clock is ticking, and the creators who adapt first are the ones who win. Drop a comment below if your main app got wiped by the update. Hit the subscribe button to stay locked in for the upcoming automation extension release, and join the Discord server because my members always gets the releases first. And I will see you in the next video.